And in this auto world, now all of a sudden I want to turn to Rivian. Interesting, down 6% today. Stock's anywhere between 8 and 24 bucks. Now it's sitting right around 11. They've got a monstrous cash burn. That's not great, but they did do a deal with Volkswagen, which actually can kind of help them from that perspective. They still are struggling. They still got all kinds of challenges out there. I just wonder, Mark, where do you stand on this one? This is a stock that completely opposite of GM. It's down 50% year to date. It's just not been able to find itself in a very long period of time. I'm looking at the balance sheet. I think that starts to make you get a little bit more nervous all the time, especially with that cash burn. What do you think about this name? I think it's a no touch. I don't really like it to the upside, but what do you think about this name? And are they hitting it for the right reasons?
I not only do I don't like it to the upside, I might like it to the downside and look at some bearish options possibilities on this one, Pete. They're losing $40,000 a car, 40 grand per car, and they're spending $2 billion a year or more on further R&D. Let's also talk about the fact that they've got significant challenges from other, particularly Chinese manufacturers that are much more well-capitalized, have larger market share, of course. So that and the larger macro context that we've been talking about with this massive paradigm shift in the energy story here, with all that power that needs to go to the grid for AI data centers ain't going for EV rollout. All those reasons, I don't like it. I'm bearish. I've never really liked this one. They can only sell the sizzle on the steak for so long. Eventually, investors like you say, where's the beef?
This one was pretty great. I actually got an opportunity to be in the IPO way back when, and it actually traded pretty nicely off of that. And you had to be smart, you had to be quick, and you can't be a pig. That's what I mean. It's boom, 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 and move on, because of everything that you were just talking about. I mean, they have a very large hill still to climb, and it's gotten a lot worse than it once was.